terrazzo floor dull, grimy and impossible to get clean? Are you worried about finding the right company that you can trust to make your floors beautiful again? No problem. Contact Abbey Floor Care.
And there was a considerable amount of lippage across the floor, up to 3 millimetres high in places. With lippage, we estimate that we will need to grind at least twice the depth of lippage off a floor. As the diagram here shows, the tile that is 3 millimetres higher at one end can be 3 millimetres lower at the other end, assuming the rest of the floor is flat. Also, the tile may be higher in a different direction to the adjoining tile. So while 3 millimetres seems a small amount of lippage, it can be significantly more over the whole floor. In this case, we estimated it would take 1 day to remove up to 6 millimetres and get the floor smooth. And so the job would only take us a couple of days. On day 1, we started with metal sintered diamonds and ground the floor to get it smooth, ready for the honing process. On day 2, we honed the floor up to an 800 grit finish. This gave a nice light sheen to the floor, and yet made it very easy to maintain, considering it's a kitchen floor with a lot of traffic and with a couple of dogs in the home as well. We sealed the floor with a colour enhancing impregnating sealer to help protect the floor from spots and spills. We also advised the customer on the correct maintenance methods and recommended that, owing to the high traffic in that area, the floor was resealed on an annual or biannual basis.
We have the experience, equipment and passion to restore any stone floor. The wonderful thing about a stone floor is that it doesn't have to be taken up and replaced. Its original beauty and lustre can be restored through professional restoration. By hiring Abbey, you can have your stone floors restored to a beautiful, easy to clean masterpiece in stone. Contact Abbey Floor Care now for a free, no obligation quotation.